Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can claim your pending Robux. So pending Robux is basically a Robux which is on like the pending section of Roblox. So what that means is that the transition is happening and it is taking a bit of time. So the time which is going to take for the pending Robux to be transferred into your account is at least 5 days. You need to wait for minimum 5 days and maximum 30 days. So the pending Robux is going to be transferred into your account within 5 to 30 days. But the thing is, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to go to any setting, click on claim to claim it. If it is on pending Robux, it's going to be transferred into your account. You don't have to worry about it. And to check if the pending Robux is in your account or not, you can click on your Robux icon at the top right. And then it's going to show you my transactions. But in your case, it's going to show you the amount of Robux you have. Click on that or click on my transactions. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now, since I don't have any pending Robux, it's not showing me anything. But if you guys have pending Robux, it's going to show up over here calling pending Robux. Right beside this, at this corner, it's going to show you the amount of Robux that is pending. And you just need to wait for 30 days or 5 days and the Robux will be transferred into your account automatically. And that is how you guys can claim pending Robux. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.